Israel attack. Islamic attack typically refers to incidents involving acts of violence or terrorism carried out by individuals or groups motivated by extremist interpretations of Islam or religious ideologies. Such attacks can vary in scale and impact, ranging from isolated acts of violence to coordinated acts of terrorism targeting a specific population, institution, or country. It's important to note that the term Islamic attack can be sensitive and may potentially contribute to stereotypes and misconceptions about Islam and Muslims. It's crucial to distinguish between the actions of a few extremists and the beliefs and practices of the broader Muslim population, which is diverse and includes a wide range of perspectives and interpretations of Islam. To gain a better understanding of specific incidents or events related to Islamic attacks, it's essential to provide context and details about the incident in question. These incidents often have complex underlying factors and motivations, and addressing the root causes of extremism and violence is a multifaceted challenge for governments, communities, and international organizations.